Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate from a packet the only way. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 packet of hot chocolate mix, about 8 ounces of milk or water, and your favorite mug. Also, make sure you have a way to heat your liquid, either a microwave or a stovetop, and a spoon for stirring. Having everything ready makes the process quick and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our liquid base. Pour 8 ounces, which is about 1 cup, of milk or water into your mug. For microwave heating, place the mug in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, or until it's hot but not boiling. If using a stovetop, gently warm the liquid in a small saucepan over medium heat until it's steaming. Be careful not to let it boil over. With your liquid hot, it's time to add the star ingredient. Carefully open your hot chocolate packet and pour the entire contents into the hot milk or water. Now, grab your spoon and stir continuously for at least 30 seconds. This thorough stirring is crucial to ensure all the powder dissolves completely, preventing any unwelcome lumps and creating that wonderfully creamy, smooth texture we all desire. Finally, the best part, enjoying your delicious creation. Let your hot chocolate cool for a moment or two to prevent burning your tongue. For an extra special touch, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream or a handful of mini marshmallows. These additions elevate the experience, making your warm, comforting drink even more delightful. Sip slowly and savor every bit of your perfectly made hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.